Beneath our feet in Adelaide Arcade, there's a magical place where gifts are made. Santa's little helpers bring festive cheer as the Christmas season draws quickly near. Delivering presents to every shop with joy and laughter that never stops. When making mischief inside the stores, they sometimes forget to finish their chores. Shopping doesn't always go as you planned. In the arcade, our elves can lend you a hand. So the work is done and the time is right. You'll find Adelaide Arcade is a shopper's delight.